In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock in profits on Binance using a trailing stop loss. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this technique, don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to utilize this tool to protect your gains and limit your losses. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. This guide assumes you're familiar with the platform, but if it's your first time, you'll find the Binance interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Once you've launched the app, direct your attention to the bottom menu where you'll see several options. Tap on Trade and from there select Margin. Margin trading allows you to borrow funds to increase your potential returns, but remember, it also amplifies risks. Now that you're in the right section, let's move on to choosing your coin. In this step, you'll decide which cryptocurrency you want to apply the trailing stop loss to. After selecting your desired coin, it's time to specify the type of order. Binance offers a couple of advanced trading options here, but for our purposes today, focus on selecting either the stop limit or the trailing stop order type. Both options provide protective measures for your trades, but today we'll zero in on the trailing stop. Next, you'll set your trailing stop percentage. This number represents how much you're willing to let the coin's price drop before it triggers an automatic sell. For example, if you set a trailing stop of 5%, it means you're comfortable with the price falling by that much before selling off your position. The key here is to carefully consider your risk tolerance. A smaller percentage offers more protection, but might trigger more frequently, while a larger percentage provides a bit more room for price fluctuations. With your percentage set, you're ready to place the trailing stop order. Once it's placed, this order isn't fixed like a traditional stop order. It dynamically adjusts, following the price upwards as long as the market is moving in your favor. However, if the price should fall by that set percentage, 5% in our example, your order will trigger, selling your position to lock in those profits. It's an automatic safety net that keeps you from having to monitor the market 24/7. Lastly, remember what makes trailing stop orders particularly attractive: their flexibility and automated nature. By using this tool, you secure your profits by ensuring that your coins are sold if and when the market reverses. This way, even if the price retreats after climbing, you won't lose the gains you made. And there you have it. You've just learned how to lock in profits on Binance using a trailing stop loss. This powerful feature helps balance your need for security with the potential for profit, allowing you to trade with confidence. Thank you for watching and happy trading.